Hey guys, all this time I thought I was taping and I wasn't. But anyways, I'm making potato salad for order that I remember I was saying guys I was making an order for Mother's Day. So the carrots, I thought I taped all of this and I was breaking down how I make it and why I do what I did. But honestly next time for that. But yeah, so I added everything in my bowl right now and I'm going to mix it up. And but I was saying that some people like their potato salad with eggs and all that different stuff. I like to keep it simple. I'm going to add some sugar. With this, the sugar is add to taste, add to your liking, because for me, and I just use brown sugar. Brown sugar, white sugar is the same thing. Just make sure you see, you don't want to have a precise measurement. And most of the time I've never had a measurement, so it's like I can't really tell you what I use, how I use it. So I put some mustard, I add some sugar to taste for my liking, for stuff that I like to do. You do it the way you want. Don't follow some sugar. And I will say roughly for me I will start off with 2. This is a tablespoon, right? I know together. So I'm gonna try to show you guys what me taping. uh, okay, so I don't know if you can see it good here, but should look. I can't get up and close and personal. This is how your potato salad should look. I'm gonna taste that. Yeah, so this is the taste test. Cheers. Perfect. This is what we're talking about. Remember the chicken we season and stuff. This is it right here. So all I'm going to do is right now is put it on my trays that I have greased my pans already, and let it basically air dry. You just want to leave it out for an hour so you could get to room temperature before we put it in the oven. So this is dashing bush. As you guys can see, clearly it states, good focus, it's clearly it states dashing bush here. So I'm going to make a callaloo, which with okras, pumpkin, pimentos, ginger, let's piece of scotch bonnet, and it's a Trinidadian dish. You can add crab, you can add saltfish in it, pigtail, smoke bone. Just cut these up, put it in a pot. A big Dutch pot here. It's not the original pot sent from back home, but it does the trick. So hey guys, I'm just cutting up my pumpkin, and I do have more of the seasonings here for the callaloo. So hey guys, this is the finished product of the callaloo, and you can see the crab peeking through. This is the Chinese style chicken, and this is the potato salad. I'm done. I'm tired. I have to go. Please do like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys want to see more videos from me. And yeah guys, I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye.